Right, it's my session finished. Snap rod. Fuck's sake. Right, I'm a bit gutted, as you can imagine. Can you believe it? Got caught on this twig. There's nothing to it. And my rod snapped. So, I've only had it. Never mind. Anyway. Absolutely gutted. Anyway.
That's why I always keep odd bits and bobs of rod, you know, because you just never blooming know.
That's coming handy, isn't it?
Yeah, now then, where's that bit on there? And oh, sorry, Shane.
Right.
Sorry, I've only got a few minutes before it sets.
Yeah. Right, just got a message off Richard to say the rod repairs all done, ready for testing. So I'm driving up to his now and going to give it a few casts. So hopefully I'll be able to fish with it again. Absolutely horrible weather. Anyway, I'll get up there and test this rod out and I'll be back with the results. Okay. Fingers crossed. Well, I'm here at Richard's now. Where are we? Yeah, it's horrible out there. Snowing.
Try and get it together again now, we'll work out.
And give it a bend.
Yeah, well,
I can go.
Right.
So that's the repair bit, isn't it?
That's a repaired bit.
It's hard to notice.
Well, you're never going to get it as smooth as the other bit. Now, what I've done is I put it in there,
Right.
and it just getting that's tight there,
Right, okay.
right? Now, there, that's stuck on.
Right, brilliant.
Okay, happy with that?
I'm over the moon with that, yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant repair.
And then if you want to put a bend in it, we'll put a bend in it.
Yeah, we'll have a quick look.
I mean, if you just hold the rod, I'll bend it. You hold the rod,
Yeah,
I'll bend it down.
it's recording now.
Hold it. It's coming down.
That's looking good, that.
Go, now put a bit of pressure on it. Lift.
Right.
Lift.
Are you sure?
Lift.
That's I can't get any more.
No, that ain't going to break.
No, that's
No.
that's promising, isn't it? Very promising.
Yeah.
Well, we were going to give it a few casts, but it's absolutely horrible out there. It's like a sleety snow, so I'm not going to drag Richard out in that. I'll do it myself when it fares up a bit. I'll go to a lake somewhere and have a few casts, but it's looking good. We've had a few stress tests in there, bending it a bit, and it's looking very good. Appreciate that, Richard. Right, I'll crack on and get home now. Right, back now, and it's absolutely pouring down. So I'll get in this garage. The repair itself is from just above that eye is where he threaded it, and that's where it ends there. So first chance I get, I'll give it a few casts, but not today in that weather. Really pleased with that, like. I'm sure it'll hold out, but we'll find out tomorrow, hopefully. Be back with the results. Ta-ra.